Welcome to BB Python programming. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to calculate compound interest using Python programming. Before starting, you need to know a simple mathematical formula of compound interest, which is displayed on the screen. Firstly, I'll take a variable naming it p, and I'm using here float function which will convert the string into float. How will we get string? By using the input function where we will store a message for the user. Enter the amount principal. Similarly, we'll be doing in both rate and time as well. R is equal to float input. Enter the rate of interest. Again, t is equal to float input. Enter the time in years. And in a variable, we'll write the compound interest formula, and next we will print it where we will display the output. Compound interest is CI. Now we will run the program to see the result. Enter any number and you will get the result. So I'm using here principal 25, interest 6, and time in years 3, and the result is 29.7754. Thank you so much for the video. If you like this video, please subscribe and wait for more interesting Python programs. Thank you.